The East African Court of Justice has dismissed an appeal that sought to have the case challenging the construction of the East African crude oil pipeline restated at the lower court. Four civil society organizations from Uganda, Kenya and Tanzania had appealed to the court to contend against the dismissal of the petition by the First Court of Instance, which they argue quashed the petition on technicalities and not on its merit. The East African Court of Justice had agreed with the state attorneys from the two state parties that the petition by the civil society organizations had been filed outside the required 2-month period that started from 25th May to 24th July 2017.
Most of the business secrets are confidential. They are not thrown around. Even now, they are not anywhere to be seen. So the applicant, who are private citizens organizations, have no way of knowing what happened in the corridors of power.
This period was shortly after both Tanzania and Uganda had signed the host government agreement and the intergovernmental agreement that paved way for the construction of the East African crude oil pipeline. The Appellate Division has now upheld the decision of the First Instance Division of the East African Court of Justice.
The Council of the Appellates filing the recall of appeal incomplete.
The four civil society organizations, Africa Institute for Energy Governance, Center for Food and Adequate Living Rights, Center for Strategic Litigation Limited, and Natural Justice Kenya, argued in their earlier petition that there had been an unfair compensation of the project-affected persons. The pipeline risks destroying the delicate ecosystem as it runs through parks and wetlands that could further exacerbate climate change. They have, in a press release, expressed disappointment with the ruling.
Some of these governments are deliberately trying to frustrate the people.
The construction of the 1,440-kilometer heated oil pipeline from the Albertine Graben in Hoima district in Uganda to the port of Tanga in Tanzania is on course and is expected to be completed mid-2026. The multi-billion-dollar project has been a subject of protests. Jackson Onyango, NTV.